In the following selection of EEG accessories, you will find all products they are necessary for the right using and care of your geliMed EEG caps. Bridge electrodes are not only available in different sizes, but the conductive surfaces can also be made of various different materials. There are pure silver electrodes which need to be chlorinated by the user before use, as pure silver electrodes are extremely unsuitable for EEG recordings. They are, however, also available with sintered conductive surfaces. In order to prevent corrosion by the salts in the saline solutions and in the electrolyte gels, these sintered bridge electrodes are also available with gold-plated rods. The rod has two jacks for the connector cable. The 2 mm holes are located horizontally and vertically in the rod. The horizontal opening provides a strain relief for the connector cable. Sintered electrodes must not come into contact with acids, bases or metallic objects. The bridge electrode bowl is for storing bridge electrodes before and after use. It is designed to be filled with saline solution in which the bridge electrodes are placed in preparation for use. Fungus electrodes are used with headband caps. They don't have holders in the usual sense, instead they are inserted into the holes in the headbands and attached. The conductive surface is made of sintered silver chloride and the rod is silver. Like bridge electrodes, fungus electrodes also have 2 mm cable connections. Like fungus electrodes, Z electrodes must only be used with headband caps. Their conductive surface is made from sintered silver chloride and is somewhat larger than the surfaces of fungus and bridge electrodes. This type of electrode therefore requires the larger cover with a 32 mm diameter. Like recording electrodes, ear electrodes can be made of various different materials. It is important to ensure that the ear electrode are made of the same material as the recording electrodes. If this is not the case, this can cause potential differences between the electrodes, which can, in circumstances, lead to zero lines in your EEG. There are two sizes of clamp electrodes, adults and children, which are each available in 4 different colors. As the ECG Clamp electrodes have a universal connector, they can be connected to the EEG device, for example, using a snap or an ECG connector cable with a 2 mm, 3 mm or 4 mm plug. There are many different types of recording cables. Cable length, color, plug material and plug configuration provide a wide range of cable variations. geliMed provides the complete assortment from older cable versions with hint to state-of-the-art plug connectors. We are also specialists in catering for our customers' individual requirements. For hygiene reasons, all electrodes should be cleaned and replace their felt covers regularly. The felt covers offered by geliMed are extremely absorbent. No additional felts or padding are required. Felt covers are available in 2 sizes, 28 mm diameter for bridge and fungus electrodes and 32 mm diameter designed specially for Z electrodes. These hard-wearing rubber O-rings can be used for anchoring the felts of the recording electrodes and for attaching ear electrodes. There are 2 different sizes, a standard size which can be used for bridge, fungus and ear electrodes and a somewhat larger size for use with Z electrodes. The mounting cone is used to help fit the coverings onto the bridge electrodes more easily. It is available in 2 sizes, one for covering Z electrodes and one for covering standard fungus and bridge electrodes. Avery is a preparation paste which was developed specially to reduce skin resistance. This abrasive emulsion is used for cleaning and for roughening the surface of the skin. Using every in combination with an electrolyte gel can achieve a very good impedance value. Nuprep is another specially developed emulsion designed to prepare the skin for EEG, EP, EMG and ECG recordings. Nuprep is particularly recommended for sensitive skin of children and adults. Synapse is a contact cream which is particularly suitable for routine and long-time recordings. Synapse could be described as an electrolyte gel without the adhesive properties. Lectron II is a salt-free and chloride-free electrolyte gel which changes its viscosity only slightly, which changes in temperature. This gel is known for its consistent conductive properties. Like Lectron II, Lectron III's viscosity changes only slightly with changes in temperature. In contrast to Lectron II, however, it does contain salt, which increases its conductive properties. If you need further information to find the right EEG cap or accessories for your request, please call us. The team of GVB geliMed will be happy to answer your call.